We removed all age-specific and gender-specific names. Meet the new iPhone thumbs up emoji. We got tired of annoying people saying, there's nothing new with the new iPhone. So we've managed to insert a real avocado slice inside the phone.
There's nothing new about the iPhone.
There's a freaking avocado in there!
And it gets better. We made this phone 0.3 grams lighter by removing the phone call feature and all the cameras. But you can still take stunningly realistic photos with this iPhone. Simply put down the phone using our patent-pending phone down gesture. Then by using your very own eyes, you can see real-life moments in reality. We call this feature being in the moment, or BITM. BITM technology creates real mental images called iMemories. Most iMemories will only be stored for a few days, but the good ones last a lifetime. Thank you.